He spooked something out. Oh, get it, boy. Where's it at? He almost got it the second time. They'll get it. Get it, Astro. Get it, Astro. He'll get in there and fish it out. There it goes. Astro, go over here. Come on, good boy, good boy. There it goes. Fanta, yeah, she got it. She is lightning. Good girl, Vanta. They're still looking for it. They don't know she got it. Good girl, Vanta. Now watch, she won't kill it. She'll just play with it. She's trying to share. She's trying to share. Astro, you did good. They couldn't have done it without you. Look at that boy still looking. Astro, come on. Stand down, son. Stand down. Good job, you guys.